Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to install PHP in Windows 11. So first of all, open your browser and go on the google.com and search PHP. After that, you will see the official website php.net will be open. Now click on it. Now here you can click on downloads, and after that go on the Windows downloads option. Click here. Now you can see here the non-thread safe and the thread safe, both two versions are available. So click on thread safe version, click on zip and click and download it. Now wait for the downloading. Wait, our PHP zip file is downloaded. Now right click on it and click on show in folder. Now here right click and click on extract all. Here you can change the name of it, so keep it as it and click on extract. Now you can see it here. Then right click and after copy it, click on cut option. Now go on the C drive, this PC, C drive, and program files. Now you can paste it here. After that click on it and copy this path, and now go on search and search environment variable. Open it. After that click on environment variable and in system variable the path, click on edit, add a new path, paste here, click on OK. Again OK. Now OK. Now after that go on search and search cmd. Open it and here you type php version and now press enter. Here you can see the version of PHP. That's mean the PHP is installed in your Windows. So now let's do a program. First program. So make a folder and open it in VS Code. Now make a file name index.php. The file name extension should be php and code like this, echo and subscribe. Now run our code. You can see successfully run. So that's mean the PHP is installed in your laptop, in your Windows. So thank you for watching this video. Keep subscribe, like this video and comment